Hey everybody, Richard here with Camel City Roofing. Well, folks, it's that time again. Shingle manufacturers have announced another price increase, in what is surely to be just an amazing coincidence. Every single one of them picked the exact same day, April 1st. That's right, April Fool's Day, except it's no joke. A breakdown of what's going on. GAF has announced a 6 to 10% price increase. Certainty has announced up to a 10% increase. IKO, 6 to 10% increase. Owens Corning, 7 to 10% increase. And Atlas, a 7 to 10% increase. So basically, if your roof needs shingles, you're going to be paying more starting April 1st. Let's figure out how this affects you. Basically, what it means for you and whether you're planning a roofing project or you already have a quote in hand. So if you're thinking about getting a new roof, any project quoted after April 1st will include higher material costs. So if you've been on the fence about replacing your roof, now's the time to act before the increase kicks in. If you've already got a quote, your price may still be locked in if materials are purchased before April 1st. If not, your project costs may go up because the new pricing affects all shipments after that date, regardless of when the order was placed. Some manufacturers like IKO have flat out said there's no price protection, meaning even if you ordered materials before April 1st, if they don't ship before that date, you're paying the higher price. So the bigger picture, look, price increases aren't new. Every year, manufacturers raise prices, whether it's due to inflation, material costs, or basically just because they can. But what's always funny for me is how they magically land on the same date every single time. Makes you wonder if they're all sitting in a secret shingle mafia meeting somewhere discussing these price increases. But what should you do next? So here's my advice. If you've been thinking about getting a new roof, don't wait. Get your quote locked in, materials ordered before April 1st, so you don't get hit with these increases. If you have any questions or need a quote, give us a call at Camel City Roofing. We'll make sure to get you taken care of before these prices go up. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, a share with someone who needs a new roof. Let me know in the comments. Does it surprise you that all these manufacturers always pick the same day? Because I find it interesting.